So here's a quick look at some of the stuff I've 3D printed so far. And I can tell you 3D printing is pretty addicting. I picked up a Monoprice Maker Select printer from monoprice.com for, I think it was about $3.99. But they go on sale every once in a while, and really, that's not a bad price considering where 3D printing has been coming from. They used to be upwards of $1,000 or more. But as you can see, there's really great detail in these prints, especially for just beginning. I know I could do a little bit better once I figure out all the settings and get the printer dialed in. But the really cool thing is that you can actually print working parts like this hinge here. As you can see, it flexes at the joint. And you can print in all sorts of sizes. And that's a single piece, single print. It comes off the printing bed ready to work. That's pretty amazing. And of course you can print in different materials. This is a material called PLA, which is actually organic material base. It's based on corn, or derived from corn. But there's other plastics that are much more durable that you would use for other purposes. Maybe if you wanted something to last longer, or be able to use in a fish tank or outside, or in cooking. But overall, pretty exciting. I'll post some more cool stuff once I get it ready to go.